Welcome back to TJ and B Traveling, and welcome to Mercu Summer Suites. This is where we have been staying for the last month or so here in Kuala Lumpur, and in today's video what we're going to do is give you a little bit of a tour of the apartment building, the facilities we have access to, and our particular apartment to give you a preview of what it could be like to stay here in Kuala Lumpur. Alright, so the first thing that you want to know about this place is we are right in Kuala Lumpur city centre. In fact, if I take a few steps back and so that we can move out of the way of this tree, you can even see the KLCC tower and the second, whatever the name is, of the second biggest building in the entire world, just there. And if you walk in that direction for about 10 minutes-ish, you'll be able to get to KLCC Park and the Petronas Twin Towers and Surya Mall, which is basically our local spot here in Kuala Lumpur. Anyway, that's the location. Fantastic location. We'll also put a little Google Maps link there.
One of the things that we love also about this location is because it's not even 5 minutes away. We can get the monorail and the trains. This for us is perfect because we don't have a car here, so we can just walk around, and if you want to go a little bit further, we can just in a 5-minute walk get the train or the monorail. So for us, this is very good. Yeah,
definitely the main reason that we are here in this particular place is the location of it. Anywhere else you could get a bit more luxury, then we'll add on 10-20 minutes to every single day, if not more, commuting to and from the gym, jiu-jitsu, whatever we want to do. We figured just for our month here, it was better just to stay quite downtown.
The first thing you're gonna see when you come inside is a grocery store, a convenience store, and a cafe, and also a little other cafe there in the back. What we got here is the cafe in-house. We've been here a couple times to work. They have a lot of options for meat eaters, but not really for vegetarians or vegans, so we don't really got to experience much of the food, but the coffee here is very good. The price is a little bit more expensive than we would find in different kind of place, but again, it's because of the location, so it matches the price. Still paying for the convenience to just like leave your house and go straight away to the coffee place. Next we got here the convenience store, which is pretty good. It's like a 7-Eleven. Let's go inside.
Here you've got all the normal stuff that you'll find in like an Asian 7-Eleven, but more importantly for living here is going to be the waters, because the tap water in Kuala Lumpur is probably not best to drink, so getting the water down here makes it super convenient.
And the good thing about this place is because it's 24/7, so whenever you're hungry or you need anything, you just can come here and it's super convenient.
This place is Drip Coffee. They do the best coffee. If we are feeling extra especially lazy, or we want to reward ourselves with good coffee, highly recommend from there, right? You like it there?
Yeah, I really like it, yeah. Now we are at the selection store. I think it's the main grocery store here in this building. Probably where we most spend our money because it's so convenient just to, like, we don't have to leave our apartment to buy some stuff. Whatever they have here is what we need, which is basically fruits, some drinks, bread, oats. It's just really basic stuff, so this, yeah, is very good.
But it's well stocked enough that it's everything that we need and everything that most people would need around here. That's why it's really perfect, actually. You could definitely save by going to one of the supermarkets like round the corner, but then you're spending 10 minutes walking there and back and whatever, so maybe it's best not to do. Alright, they didn't let us film there anymore. Now we're moving on into like the bigger part of the lobby, which is like quite deceiving because you think here would have like a lot more stuff, but it's actually basically got nothing. You've got ATM, you've got a currency exchange service and the reception, but then the reception you're not really dealing with anyone because you're dealing with the private person that actually owns your apartment for the most part. So salon there, and the place above used to be a co-working space, but as of filming it's being refurbished and they gave me no timeline on when it's going to be finished. That was quite frustrating because I saw that was going to be here and I was quite looking forward to having the co-working space on the ground floor. Maybe if you're going to come stay here in the future and it has reopened, that is great for you, works out really well. But yeah, that's the lobby. Simple enough but convenient enough. Could probably be better, some other places are better, but more of the action is to be done once you've scanned yourself through the gates and got yourself up to the facilities such as the pool and the gym, which is where we're going to go now.
Now let's check out the other facilities. Oh yeah, I quite forgot about this place. We also got a mini grocery store right here.
It's closed right now though.
Yeah.
I don't actually know if it's any cheaper than the other place or better. I don't know actually why it's here, to be honest. So here you have the gym, pool, a couple conference rooms and a games room. Pool is quite a pretty infinity pool. It's not overlooking anything. A lot of the other places around here have like nice views and stuff. It is a nice pool. It's a good temperature. Unfortunately, it's also the same temperature as the jacuzzi, which is like
upsetting.
Yeah, so you got to sign in every time. They do have rules that the jacuzzi was only on at certain hours. Right now it's closed for maintenance. It's always best advised just to check ahead of time before you make these plans, because if you're paying exclusively for these things, there are other buildings in and around KLCC that you might get better and more convenient amenities for. I'm not sure, but however it applies to you. It's funny that even though you're surrounded by like high-rise buildings, you do still get a decent bit of sun right in the middle here. Well, right on the end there, at least at this point, but it's not bad. It's quite nice, and you get a good breeze through here. It's quite relaxing. There's enough greenery around for it to feel fairly luxurious. I know Kuala Lumpur is quite renowned for this, so not bad. Oh yeah, the mosques are louder. All right, so here we've got the games room with a
It's closed.
it's locked. Maybe there's some other rule about it, but I've seen people in here playing pool. The only games that you can play in the games room, so maybe it should just be called a game room. This is the yoga deck. This is nice.
Yeah, it's pretty cool because it's not too hot in here. It's quite fresh, so it's nice.
Yeah, you get a nice breeze, and it's a fairly nice view. Yeah, this would be good if you're into your yoga. Oh, I wonder what building that is. That's nice. Yoga deck here, and then finally we got the gym in here.
Nice AC. The gym is pretty simple, doesn't have much equipment, just some treadmills, dumbbells, and yeah, some machines, but nothing really fancy or too special.
But everything that you need, we prefer barbells, but it's good enough for like most people, I'd say. We've gotten pretty decent workouts. We've come here a few times over the time we've been here and had a decent session most of the time. Sometimes it can get a little bit busy because it is quite small, and this services what, 20 floors of people in 2 different buildings living here, so if everyone wants to come at the same time, it's going to get busy. But overall, it's good enough, right, for a little facility. We are also lucky that we have the gym in our BJJ place. Otherwise, there are plenty of gym memberships around, or some of the other apartment buildings also have like gyms that you can sign up for, or if you're going to go to a different building, then they'll have gyms as well.
Now, just let's go and check it out our apartment. Welcome to our apartment. This is a 1-bedroom apartment. They also offer studios like hotel rooms and also 2 or 3 bedroom apartments. So our apartment is 1 bedroom. I think it's pretty good and spacious because we don't need more than that. We never have anyone visiting us, so
I think we'd be fine even if we did though, right?
yeah, but the sofa is not, well, it's not amazing. As you can see here, we have also a TV. We got a balcony here. We can't see much really, but
no.
This is where we hang our clothes sometimes.
As B says, not really a view, but it's good enough to get some outside access.
Yeah, this is a quite nice and simple sofa. TJ usually work here most of the time.
Yeah, I split my time between this sofa mostly and this table, and that allows me to work with either my legs straight, which I do when I put my feet up there, or legs bent in a normal conventional position when I'm just doing my work like writing or whatever here.
Yeah, the kitchen is not a big kitchen that you can cook loads of stuff. We don't cook anyway, so for us work because they have a microwave, a little stove, a big fridge. And one of the most important things that we have in this house is this washing machine. And it's not just washing machine, it's dryer too, so it's perfect. If you know us, you know we go through a lot of training, so washing machine is something that is key everywhere we go. So yeah, this is quite simple. It doesn't have, as I said before, doesn't have much pans and stuff to cook, but we get our food delivery for the most of the time, so for us it's perfect. Here we got a bathroom, which I don't really like this bathroom because I hate those kind of bathrooms that doesn't have like the closest shower, so it is what it is. It's not the best, but it works. And here what I like is this, because the sink is outside. Sometimes TJ is on the bathroom and I can be here just getting ready for the day, so I love when it's outside. Right, the last room in our apartment is our bedroom, which I think is huge and spacious. It's all, our bags are all here because it's just organizing to leave. So the bed is quite nice. Could be a little bit bigger because TJ is huge. so sometimes we have to get too close to each other, but it works. The AC is also pretty good. We also have a shared wardrobe, which well,
it's not empty because it's all the bag stuff, but yeah, we would keep B's stuff mostly in here. Yeah. I'd get like one of these shelves, and then yeah, we figure it out. It works enough for us, right? Yeah. And then your working desk here.
Yeah, this is my favorite part of this house because like I really like the light that comes, and I just can stay here alone working, and I love it. This is my favorite.
The view from here is a little bit better, right?
Yeah. A little bit, but
we're up on the 29th floor here, so yeah. I mean, it just brings nice natural light. When you're in an apartment all day, it's important to get natural light as well, right?
Yeah, that's great. I love this room, and well, I think this house is really worth it for us, and really enjoying being here.
That ends our tour of our apartment building and apartment itself here in Kuala Lumpur city centre. So the total price we paid per month is around $800 US. We paid for a little over 5 weeks because that's how long we were here. And so what you actually will pay will vary massively depending on whereabouts you stay location wise. So we're in probably the most expensive location around. As we said already, it's a very short walk to the Petronas Towers and everything in the middle of Kuala Lumpur, but also the fact that we booked it quite late and it's only for the 5 weeks. If you're booking for longer, you'll be able to save a decent amount. If you move further away from the city centre, you'll also be able to save a decent amount. And if you book it a little bit more ahead of time, you probably have a little bit more wiggle room as well. But this has worked perfect for us.
Yeah, and what I think is great as well is this price is with all included. We don't have to pay for extra internet or electricity, water, anything else.
Yeah, everything's all sorted out. We found this place on booking.com. A lot of the places on Booking and Airbnb will have fees to add after the fact, but a lot of these people that you'll be dealing with are independent, so they will allow you some level of negotiation. We would definitely advise doing that to be able to get the best deal for you.
If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. Let us know anything in the comments below.
If you want to just follow us along on our channel, make sure you are subscribed as well. Thank you for watching.
See you in the next one.